So if you're looking to paint the town red after Christmas dinner, you're going to want to check out the sheen, shine, ruffles, prints, and pieces that Kim Johnson has for your closet. Now, this woman is not just a brainiac, but she's also a fashion designer. Good morning.
Good morning.
Should I say good morning, Dr. Johnson?
No, good morning, Kim.
Kim, how did you make that kind of shift? I mean, you haven't completely left the medical world, but how do you juggle both of these wonderful passions that you have?
Well, actually, it started out me after leaving work. I'd come home and I say, I need a new outfit for tomorrow. I have every day it's a new outfit.
Wow.
I'll not sleep and make a new outfit. That's how much I love
To go to work?
Yes.
So you dress up to go to work? You're like one of them dress up at Dr. Day.
I'm wearing a dress and I'm struggling
I
through the
hear
day.
your models saying yes. Backstage, they're saying yes. So you look hot when you go work. Every day.
Word at KPH in heels and a dress.
Yeah, girl. You got it. You got it.
That's passion.
So it's a passion for
It
you.
is. I love it. I love looking good. When you look good, you feel good.
Definitely.
If you're stressed out, you look good, you feel good. And I wanted to extend that to others, you know?
I definitely understand that because putting on a good outfit always lifts my spirits.
Yes.
So, who are you designing for? What is your market that you want to?
All right, the market is actually from 18 years old to about 50, right? If you have some over 50 who want to, you know,
Look at same way, no
definitely
problem.
come along, you know. And I'm targeting all different aspects of fashion. So the club fashion, the ballroom, workplace, swimsuit, everything.
Okay, do you have a specific collection that we're going to look at this morning?
Right,
or-
so we're looking at a few pieces from the Christmas collection.
Oh.
So it's very festive. What we don't have here are the evening gowns, but it's very, very festive. You have something for every occasion during the Christmas. So
All right,
the
well,
party,
let's start off seeing them so you can tell us a little bit about. Let's invite our first model. And tell us a little bit about this outfit.
So this outfit is called Feroz and it means fierce.
Me love it. Me not even go from she coming to the studio. Me said this is the one me want.
So the colors are holographic, red and green for Christmas. It's a blazer with a shorts that's flary, flirtatious, and still very fierce.
Yeah, it kind of have a little peplum feel to the
Yes,
waist part. So you know,
right.
say if you
So if you don't have
booty part-
hips,
right?
you
I
have
was
some
just
hips.
about to
We'll
say.
create hips for you.
That's fantastic. I love that. Love it, love it, love it. And for New Year's Eve is, you know.
Oh
this
dear,
is just
yes,
fantastic.
you have that. Also, there are gowns, but they're not featured here. But we have some gowns for New Year's and New Year's Eve as well.
Wow, I can see that top being worn with a skirt and being awesome, like a long skirt and still
right?
being a
Even
ball gown.
pants.
Yes, fantastic.
Very lovely.
All right, let's bring out our next model. Oh, I'm loving it.
So this
Yes.
outfit is called Baila, which is Spanish for dance. So it's very flirtatious, festive, dancing.
Ah, yeah.
And she's a dancer.
I can see that.
Another dancing doctor.
Oh,
Which is also a model today.
Wow. You guys are so talented. I
Yes,
love it. I
thank
love it. I
you.
love it.
So if you're going to a Christmas party where you want to dance, this is what you're wearing.
And the DJ just a work with it, you know. The man just gone find some Spanish music. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Doc. And let's see our final model.
Oh, our
Or we have
final
more pieces?
model.
Okay.
This outfit is called Santa Baby.
Yes.
So it's very cute.
Santa baby.
Santa Baby.
All
Soft,
right.
pretty.
And you know, a question I'd love to ask the designers: how do you keep those shoulders up with this new design of having this
The
off
cold shoulder.
Yeah, how does it stay up? Because I
Well-
notice it don't drop down, but how does it stay
Yeah, man,
where
inside,
it's supposed to be?
inside you have hooks that are adjustable.
Oh.
So how broad your shoulders are, how narrow, how much you want to show. There you go. But this is very cute. I
It
love this one.
is.
Spunky.
And of course, you have the asymmetric line
Right,
at
right.
the
Gives it some
jacket.
dimension. And in the plaid for Christmas, you know.
Boy, it looked like it's bare dancers and doctors you have.
She's
in
also
your-
a dancer.
I know, that's why I was like, it's bare dancers and doctors you have in your world. But
Yes.
it's fantastic. Let's invite all the models out so we can take a look at all these pieces. So, how can we reach you? Do you have a storefront or is this...
Right, so it's online. So it's Kim N. Johnson Designs on Instagram, and that's Kim with a K-Y-M.
Yes.
Kim N. Johnson Designs. When you go on the page on Instagram, you'll see all information on how to order. And trust me, you will not regret it. And there are fantastic other outfits there for you to
And
choose
of course,
from.
the outfit that you're wearing.
Yes,
is an
what I'm
outfit
wearing is one
your-
from the
your
collection as well.
So, talk to me now. Christmas is a time where when January come, tambourine season reach people and nobody know no money. You have to come back and know if it's something we can afford. Ooh, me like that. If it's something we can afford.
Yes, because actually one person asked,
That's the outfit.
Yes, that's what I'm
Yay.
wearing. Yes. One person said, I'm sure most of these dresses that she
Can't
has
afford
cost
it.
60 grand. No, it does not. It's actually way less than half of that.
What?
So it's
way less than half?
Yes,
Make sure you
yes,
say,
yes.
Hey, if you make me come and say to you, come tell me, but you say way less than half. Half of 60 is 30, so it's way less than 30.
Yes.
Remember I said so?
Yes.
Don't make me come and
Yes,
come tell
yes,
okay,
yes.
all right. So we can get them for affordable prices.
Yes, so you're looking like $1 million without spending $1 million. That's exactly what it is.
I love that. I love it.
Thank
and in
you.
this state of affairs, when we want to cheer up a little bit, nothing better than a good outfit.
Exactly. I mean, look at them. I know they feel phenomenal right
Oh,
now.
they feel phenomenal.
And they're not models, but they feel like models.
Oh, no, look like models. Just walk like a model and you're automatically a model. That's what I say. Thank you so much for stopping
Thank you
by.
for having me.
It was fantastic to have you and lovely to see these ladies. Everybody looks awesome. So go get something new to wear for Christmas. Fashion designer and, of course, Dr. Kim Johnson. Stay with us for you know what it is. Greetings from across the world right after this break.
Some of them never know me. Some of them don't know me. Some of them keep from